Hey, Shopify brands, who's ready for Black Friday, Cyber Monday? Fun fact, did you know that last year, Cyber Monday made history, racking up close to $11 billion in online sales? That was some record-breaking totals that happened last year. That's why the team at CartHook wants to help your brand set revenue records this year. So we've collaborated with our partners and put together an ebook of tech stack essentials that will help boost your AOV this holiday season. There's 56 pages, 6 experts, and more than 30 tips from our partners at SendLane, Loyalty Lion, ShipBob, EcoCart, and Mulberry. The playbook is free to download and gives tons of strategies you can implement before Black Friday. And did you know most merchants using CartHook see around a 10% increase in revenue? So what are you waiting for? Download today to get the playbook, check out our tips, and let us know how much your AOV increases this holiday season and beyond.